lovely, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Nutriplenish Curl Jelly by Aveda. So last week I uploaded a tutorial using this product and diffuse drying it, and I promised you guys that I would air dry my hair this time for this video. However, we have a slight problem in the household at the moment that our boiler is broken. So I did wash my hair yesterday and I did air dry it with the Nutriplenish Curl Jelly, but I haven't been able to do it today. So I have slept on this. It's probably a little bit frizzier and it's dropped out a little bit, but you can kind of get the gist. It's wavy, it's soft, there's not much product buildup. It's really versatile product, but I just wanted to give you guys that heads up first because this is not 100% fresh. It has been slept on. And if you have wavy hair, then you know that that can change things, or curls for that matter. If you sleep on them, things happen. So let's start off with a little bit about the product, what Aveda promise that we're going to get from it, who they recommend it for, how they say to use it. So the Nutriplenish Curl Jelly promises to hydrate, define and elongate coils, curls and waves while nourishing with nutrient power superfoods packed with hydration. It is infused with a nutrient-rich superfood complex of mango butter, organic coconut oil and organic pomegranate oil, which delivers nourishing moisture and shine while styling. This hydrating curl jelly provides the flexible hold of a gel enriched with the nourishment and moisture of a lightweight conditioner. It was developed with and evaluated by Aveda texture stylists, and it is 96% naturally derived ingredients. It is also cruelty-free and vegan. So first up, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the scent, but I actually couldn't find a full scent listed in any description on the Aveda site, on Look Fantastic site. I Googled it and tried other places. So I'm going to assume that the scent is the mango, coconut, pomegranate, and I've got to say it's a gorgeous scent. If you've used Aveda products before, it has the classic Aveda scent. If you know what I mean, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You can always tell, well, I can always tell a mile off when people are using Aveda products on their hair. There's just that specific smell, and this has it. Citrusy, fruity, a little bit of green in there, something herby. It's really lovely, really gorgeous scent, and can't knock it down for that. I do really love the scent and it smells really nice in the hair, which is perfect. So there's a couple of different ways that you can use this product, and you're always going to apply it on wet hair, but you can dry it differently, and that completely depends on your routine, how much time you have in the morning, what kind of hair texture you have. It will be different for every single one of you that wants to use this product. Personally, for me, someone with wavy hair, it's about applying the product when my hair is wet, getting it through, evenly distributing it almost from root all the way to tip, scrunching my hair, and then either diffuse drying it or air drying it. Those are the options that I use with this product. But if you have different texture hair, maybe you're going to twist it with your product in your fingers and create your coils and let it air dry. Maybe you're going to then diffuse dry it, or a completely different routine. Everyone's hair is different, so work with products like this. There is no one size fits all. Have a play around with this product and see how it works for you. But for me, like I said, applying it all over my hair, wet hair, scrunching it in and diffuse drying or air drying. That's how I got the best results from this product. So one thing I do really love about this product that is quite different to jellies that I've used in the past is that it's not a super sticky jelly. And previously, when I was telling you about what Aveda say about the product, they mentioned that it's got the hold benefits of a gel with the moisturizing benefits of a lightweight conditioner. And I couldn't agree more, to be honest. It doesn't have that sticky, tacky gel feeling. And you can see here that it's also quite a loose gel. It's not too thick, which is great. It means you can build it and you can apply more or less if that's how you want it. But I will say it does feel super hydrating like a conditioner, but you do get those hold benefits like a gel. So I 100% recommend if you want a little bit of hold but also a good amount of moisture, this is the product for you. It's pretty pricey, but it is really worth it. I'm definitely going to continue to use this, and compared to other jellies that I've used in the past, it is a lot better and it just feels a lot more premium, the whole experience, which I'll touch on a little bit more in a bit, but let's go on to pricing. So for 200 ml, which is this container here, it's going to cost you £28.50, which I will admit is probably the top of my price range for a styling product. I do, however, think that you're going to get quite a lot of use out of this. I've used it probably 4 or 5 times already over the last couple of weeks, and I've got to say, there's still loads in there. It doesn't feel like I'm using a massive amount each time to get the hold or the moisture benefits from this product. They do also do a 40 ml version for £9, which is a great starter if you want to try it without committing to the full £28.50. I'll link both of those below. I bought this product on Look Fantastic, and I have an affiliate link in the description down below if you would like to go and purchase it. I'll put the 40 ml and the 200 ml down there for you guys. In terms of use, I've really enjoyed using this product, from the container all the way to how the product feels in the hair and how it finally looks in the hair. The container's really functional, the lid opens really well, it's a really nice sort of strong bottle. It doesn't feel as though it's gonna break, or it's not super flimsy, which I really like. I appreciate things that are functional and work well, which is definitely this container. It's quite a standard container for a curl product. I think they're all creams and jellies, they're all usually in these kind of squeezy bottles. I haven't got a problem with it, and I think it's great. I think the container is super functional, super useful, really easy to grab on the go. So the way the product uses in the hair, at first I started off with a little bit and I built up over a few days sort of how much I thought would work for me. So now I'm using sort of a good dollop in each hand. So I'll start a good dollop on each side, So I'll start on one side, smooth the product through, put another dollop in the hand and smooth it through the other side, and then scrunch it in. And that's what's working for me. Before I was just kind of smushing it all over and seeing how that worked. But I think really sort of targeting each strand of hair with this product is how you get the best use from it. And that's exactly what they say to do, to smother the hair. And yeah, that's how you're gonna get the best use. They have nailed it. Aveda are pretty good. This is the first time I've actually used a styling product from Aveda. I've used sort of shampoos and conditioners in the past, but this is the first time I've used a styling product, and I've got to say, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm intrigued to try some other things. So as well as the product going in the hair really well, it also dries really lovely. There's been almost no crunch, I would say. Probably maybe I feel a little bit more crunch when I diffuse dry, and I guess there's probably a link between that. Maybe it's to do with the heat, sort of warming up the product, getting it a bit stickier. But I've definitely felt more crunch when I've diffuse dried, but I have absolutely no problem with crunch. You literally just have to go through and scrunch it out and it disappears. So that's, it just adds a couple of minutes onto the routine. But I would say air drying, almost no scrunch at all, maybe just a little bit around the top towards the sort of roots. But again, just go through, scrunch it out, all you need to do. It's just a really lovely product to use, to be honest, and it dries really well in the hair. It definitely feels really hydrated, makes the hair feel really moisturized, but does give it that hold and reduces frizz, which is great. I wish I could show you today how much frizz it reduces whilst it's air dried, but I haven't got the footage. So what I will do is I'll put up some footage from when I diffuse dried it. Just even from that, you can see there's a lot less frizz from sort of my normal hair, and it is a lot more sort of bouncy and lifted than it is today because I slept on it last night and, you know, it's blooming boiling. So lastly, who would I recommend this product to? And to be honest, I think Aveda have smashed it in saying that it could be for waves, curls and coils. I really do think that you could use this product in any hair texture and any hair type. Density as well, even if you had fine hair, that you maybe be worried that this would be too heavy or too sticky, you could just go through and water it down in your hands. And I do that sometimes when I've had my hair sort of up or I just want to refresh it. I'll put some product in my hand, wet them down, and then run it through my hair just to sort of lift it up, give it a bit more definition, reduce some frizz. I do think this product is really suitable for everyone with curls, waves and coils. I really do. I think you can build on it, you can reduce what you're using, you can air dry, you can diffuse dry and still get great results with either. I really do think everyone would benefit from using this product and you would smell amazing. And you know what? That's great. I think good scented products are underrated. Like when I find a good scent, I stick with it. Like I am so ready to buy all Aveda products now. Like I can just tell that I'm gonna love it. So if you've used some Aveda products before and there's some that you would like me to review, or if there's new products that you haven't tried, drop a comment down below. I am always looking for new products to try, new brands as well. It doesn't have to be Aveda. I'm always looking for new things. I have such a massive collection of products and I love testing things out on my waves. Even if it says it's for coily hair, it's great to try and give it a go. It doesn't matter how wavy, how coily your hair is. You might find a product that works for you that's for straight hair. It's just, and the options are endless. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next week for my weekly upload. Love you lots. Bye.